Guys, look at this tender, juicy ribeye steak.
Looks banging.
Really good.
You would think we got it from the restaurant. Happy holidays, guys. You ready for what we're making? Are you ready for the best tender and juicy ribeye steak, guys? I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm about to tell you all the ingredients you're gonna need to make this juicy recipe. So of course you need ribeye steak, right?
Ribeye steak.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So we have 3 pieces here, guys, and this is about 2.5 pounds. So good. And now for the main ingredients you're gonna need, pay attention. You're gonna need salt and black pepper, butter, garlic, olive oil, me, this way.
Funny.
You're gonna need some rosemary, all right, guys? And that's what you definitely going to need. We prefer to put our homemade green seasoning. So good. Guys, if you want to know how to make this, how to buy this, what's in this, we're going to put the link in the description below, all right? And if you don't have green seasoning, that's okay. You can sprinkle any other ingredients you like onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, paprika.
Whatever you prefer.
Yeah, all-purpose seasoning, whatever you
curry
like.
powder.
I don't know about curry powder.
You never had a curry stick?
But, I mean, if you want to, you most definitely have some Creole seasoning. You can put anything you like, guys. It'll come out delicious.
Guys, so first thing we did with our ribeye steak was wash our steak in lime and water. You gotta wash your meat, guys. Please, wash your meat. After we washed our meat, we rinsed it off and then we patted it dry. Yes, you want your steak nice and dry. You want little to no water. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna base our steak in a little olive oil. Yes, you wanna cover it in olive oil. So that's what we're doing here. Get it nice and covered in the olive oil. See that? You guys watching me?
Yep.
Get every little piece, nook, crannies, around the edge, everywhere, covered in that oil. Alright. Once everything is nice and covered in your olive oil, see that? You saw that little trick I did, right? I placed it right on top of each other, get everything covered. That's called laziness. That's what that's called, laziness. And hey, work smart, not hard. So everything is nice and covered in our olive oil. Now it's time to season these bad boys. So the first thing we're gonna season it is with our salt and pepper. Sprinkle that salt and pepper all over your steak, guys. We used about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle this on and I'm gonna rub it in. You want everything covered and coated. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
Get everything. Make sure you get the edges, please. Don't forget about the edges. You know, sometimes you'll do the top and like call it a day. No, get the edges. I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna do the other side. Get everything nice and coated.
Don't be scared to get your hands dirty, guys.
You gotta get your hands dirty and make sure your hands are clean. Flip it over. You're gonna do the next side. Guys, like we told you, you can add your favorite seasoning to this. You don't have to just use salt and pepper. Salt and pepper is a must. You don't have to just use these seasonings. Get your cayenne pepper, your sazon, you know, you're Latin, you want your little sazon or adobo, throw that on there, whatever you like. You're from down south, you like that Creole seasoning, get some of that Tony seasoning, whatever seasoning is your preference, use that. So guys, our preference is our homemade green seasoning that we made.
Oh yeah.
After we season it with the salt, pepper, olive oil, we will be adding our homemade green seasoning. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the green seasoning, and I'm gonna show you the next step.
Guys, back with the next step. So it's been about 30 to 45 minutes. We let our steak that we seasoned and showed you marinate, all right? Because we want all those flavors and juices and seasonings to get in there, right?
Yeah, buddy.
So we took a little bit of butter and we put it on our
Cast iron skillet.
thanks, honey.
What? You can't make a steak without a cast iron skillet.
True. So what we're gonna do is already heating up. We have our heat on about medium heat, all right? Too low, be undercooked. Too high, it'll overcook and burn, all right? And the purpose is we're gonna get some real marks on this. Watch, pay attention.
Yeah, buddy.
We have our delicious
Ooh, look at that
ribeye steak here,
ribeye,
guys.
nice and easy.
You hear that?
Put it down. I'm coming. Oh yeah.
Have to hear that sizzling.
Yes.
Let me put this over here.
Guys, once you put that steak in there, please don't move it.
Yes, don't move it. It's very important not to move it. We're gonna cook each side, okay? That's all we're gonna do. Not flip it constantly. Cook each side 5 to 7 minutes because the main purpose is we just want some grill marks,
Yeah.
right? And we're gonna take 2 rosemary leaves. If I could get it out.
You struggling.
I am.
You struggling.
I just want 2 nice pieces, like 2 nice little pieces.
That rosemary gives it a nice flavor.
Yeah. This one looks good. I like this one.
All right, we like it too.
All right.
Whatever you like, we like.
Awesome. So we have our 2 garlics, right? We're gonna take a knife, crush it down like this because we want our garlic to open up because that's how you're gonna get the flavor. If you let your garlic sit closed, you're not really getting anything.
Tippy.
All right, so we're gonna throw that on each side.
Did you guys get that tip? That's the tip of the day.
Tip of the day. Take your, I'm gonna repeat it. Take your knife, right? Flat, garlic, press it down.
Oh,
That's
snap.
it. Nice and open just like that.
Yeah, baby.
He's excited, can you tell?
Yeah, it smells so good.
Rosemary, guys, each side.
This is gonna be the best steak ever. What? Especially with that green seasoning? What?
Oh yeah, each side, guys. Each side. Make sure it's in there. Then, last thing, we're gonna take a little bit more butter and put it right on top.
Woo! Woo! I'm getting excited. I'm coming in. Wait, I'm coming in.
All right.
I'm coming in.
Tell them we're gonna show them.
Oh my! Look at that. They're looking good. I'm sorry. Did I cut you off?
You did.
But look at it. Smells.
smells good.
I want to curse.
That
I want to curse.
Don't you dare.
Do you smell that?
I smell it. And the rosemary, guys, oh my God. As soon as you put it on the stove with that butter, you can smell the aroma. You can smell all the seasoning.
Excuse me.
Yes?
There's an elf behind you.
That's ginger.
There's an elf on the show. Oh, all right. Let's get back to the cooking. There is an elf. Hey,
There is.
hey, hold on. Did that
Her
elf?
name is Ginger.
Did she fill out a disclosure form? She might sue us.
Oh,
She in our video.
this is true.
Uh,
Ginger, make sure she don't sue us.
Does your elf have on a mask?
She does coronavirus.
Oh my God, that is so cute.
Thank you. She's being protected,
It
guys.
smells so good. So how long are we gonna let this sear on that side?
Guys, 5 to 7 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Chefs and chefettes, guys, I hope you hit that like button. I hope you joined our family and subscribe. Guys, our steak
Smells amazing. So hungry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Tell them about the steak.
Guys, our steak is just about done. We pan seared it on both sides for about 7 minutes. Look at that. Guys, well,
You said look at that.
yeah,
I have to.
When the cameraman's done, I'll continue.
Sorry, I had to. It smells amazing, guys. I wish you could smell it.
All right, guys, so like I was saying, don't be shy with the butter. When you're making steak, butter is your best friend. Love it, caress it. Guys, if your steak is drying up, add more butter. We added a little more butter to ours, and then we took the juices and poured it on top. Now, this is the final step. What we're gonna do here is remove our steak from the flame, and we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for about 7 to 10 minutes. Guys, if you like your steak medium rare, put it for about 7 minutes, 325. We like our steak medium well, whatever your preference is. So we're gonna put it a little higher just so we can make sure it's cooked. So that's what we're gonna do right about now. We're gonna take our steak. Guys, if you don't have an oven-safe dish, get one. We have our cast iron skillet. It is oven safe, so we're gonna put this right in the oven. If not, you're gonna take your steak, your rosemary, your garlic, your butter, put it in something oven safe, and you're gonna pop it in the oven. So I'm gonna put this in here for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you what it's looking like.